Alright, let's crack this puppy open. Give you guys a good view of the box here. I gotta say, one of the first things I noticed is the box isn't near as fancy as it was for my 2080 Ti for the Win 3. Got a lot of protective padding here. Got your installation guide. Retention bracket, because this is one heavy card. And of course, we got a badge in case you want to rep EVGA on your case. And that seems to be it. Let's get this sticker off here. The serious sticker, man. Definitely a heavy card. It's interesting that they went back to a 2 slot also. One thing I also have to say is I don't really care for the red accents on this card, but since I'm putting it on a water block eventually anyways, it doesn't really bother me. Of course, we got all this protective film, so you don't get any scuffs in shipping. Lots and lots of protective film. It's got 3 connectors now also. Overall, it feels like a really quality card. It's really heavy, has lots of metal on it. Can't go wrong with that, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this 3090 unboxing. I can't wait to get this thing on my test bench. That'll probably be my next video. Hope you guys have a good day.